Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. So memory is how Code remembers who you are and how your project works between sessions. Without memory, Cloud starts fresh every time. It has no idea what you like, what your project conventions are, or what you have already decided. The foundation of Cloud Code's memories in the Cloud.md file. Think of it as the briefing you do give a capable new teammate on their first morning. So how the team does things, how to avoid and where the important pieces live. This file is loaded at the start of every session in that directory. There's also a newer auto memory feature that lets Claude remember things dynamically during a session, according to the official Claude code documentation. Claude.md plus native auto memory replaced a process memory tool that older tools used to emulate. So let me show you how both system works, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. With the first, run d slash init to generate your plot.md. The easiest way to create project memory is the slash init command in any project directory with code running. Type this command line. The Claude will explore your code base and draft a Claude.md for you. Cover and build commands, just comment, a structure overview, and any conventions it detects. Review the draft, remove anything inaccurate, and commit it. This takes about 5 minutes and pays off permanently. Then you have to understand where memory lives. Location, is it Claude.md or reboot or report root, sub there, whatsoever. This is some codes that you need to look for so you can scope every project on your machine, this project or that subdirectory, it depends. And that's basically the whole idea here. So thank you all for watching the videos in the next video.